and welcome back to RC Fun and Games. I am Ryan, and today we are back in the garage to check out this metal repair stand from Injora. This is for the 1:18 and 1:24 scale RC crawlers. I've had this thing lying around for a while, so let's get the box open, let's get it assembled, and see what some rigs sit like on this work stand. Okay, so now that we've got everything out of the box, let's start by grabbing this piece and let's get it assembled. Okay, and to start assembling, we are going to grab this piece. We are then going to grab a bearing, throw it in there. We are then going to use one of the spacers that looks like a washer. We are then going to grab an M2.5 by 6. Okay, now grabbing this plate, we are going to put that in from the bottom, like that. Now, holding your finger at the bottom, you're going to take the other bearing and you're going to slide it in the top side. You are then going to grab this shaft. Okay, I'm going to screw that in there. Now I'm going to grab the M2 by 4. Now we're going to grab the two sides. Let's get them open. Now we're just going to take those side plates. They slide underneath the side like that. And then of course we're going to be using the M3 by 4. Now I'm just quickly going to tighten this bottom one. Now we can move on to the final stage. Let's grab the last plate. Okay, so now this plate's going to be going like this. And to assemble it, we are going to need this shaft. We are going to need one of the springs. Let's put that in there. The ball bearing is going to go in on top. Once we've got it like this, all we need to do is turn it upside down and put it on there. And of course, now we need to get this plate on top here. Now we're going to grab the M2.5 by 6. Now I'm going to use what I've got to be able to hold this, which is this thin pair of pliers. And tighten this one as well. Okay, now that we've got it assembled, it's time to throw on the foam. And not to forget the 4 little paws. Okay, so now that we've got it assembled, let's throw some rigs on here and let's see how they sit. And I'm going to start with the Fury Wagon from Hobby Plus. And as we can see, once you find its center of gravity, it sits there really nicely and it's definitely not going to be falling off. I really like that feature with the ball bearing system so that you can actually just rotate it and work on the next side. Awesome feature. Now let's throw some more rigs on here so we can see exactly what they look like. So as we can see, multiple rigs sit really well on top of this stand, makes it really easy to get around the rig and work. So overall, I'm impressed with the product, especially at the price that it's at. Now, I hope you all enjoyed this short little video showcasing this work stand. And if you enjoyed this type of content, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until the next video, happy trails everyone.